Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, damn beautiful people. So, if you're new, I am a Jamaican living in Australia. Yes, man, and as most of you would have seen from the family channel, that my mom is now in Australia. Yes, man, and I mean it's a blessing, you know what I mean? I've wanted to do this for a long time, as I said on the family channel, but for the people that are on this channel, definitely I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, and I've achieved that, you know what I mean? Before I even became a permanent resident, I was saying whenever I become a permanent resident of Australia, I would definitely be bringing my mom, and that's exactly what I've done. So, you know, it has been accomplished and I'm grateful. Yes, man. So with that being said, today is all about the garden. As of last video, I showed you about the cyclone coming, and thankfully to God that, you know, nothing did happen. You know, a little breeze and thing, but a lot of rain. And some places were affected, of course, like in Brisbane and, you know, some parts of Lismore, but it wasn't as bad as, you know, it was predicted to be. So, which we give thanks, you know, from a category 2 to a tropical storm by the time it was coming towards us, and that didn't even affected us in any way. So I truly give thanks. And with that being said, my people, let's take a tour of the garden and what's been happening, because for about 2 to 3 weeks now I haven't been paying much attention to the garden. Like, honestly, like, even off camera I haven't been paying much attention to the garden. So with that being said, the rain is drizzling. I'm just here on lunchtime from work, and yeah, just gonna show you all what's been happening and what's a surprise in the garden as well. So let's go now. We're on a roll. Alright, so you all know about the tomatoes already and the peppers. So yeah, man, we still have all of this going same way. We have the capsicum, which some of the trees, they're not looking good, to be honest. All fungus take over. They haven't been maintaining as much, to be honest. Yeah. But the sorrel them now. Focus camera. Yeah, so the sorrel them right now, me have crazy amount of sorrel, and I can say right now that I'll have a better, this will be my best what you call it, best success of the sorrel growing. You know, last season wasn't so good because winter was coming and flooding and all of that happened, you know. So as you can see, look how big these sorrel are. Look at these sorrel, how big they are right now. Like, these are massive. Just take a look at that. Don't know why my camera not focusing properly, but yeah, man, they're loaded full of sorrel. I have crazy amount. This is definitely the biggest achievement of the sorrel, for sure. The yam them are going good same way. That's turmeric growing lovely. So yeah, man, we get a whole heap of rain pass through, and because of the rain, I mean, even the pumpkin them burnt up and most of them didn't survive. A few of the cane were falling down. I didn't even film that, but you know, yeah, man. And I have some lettuce here. You can see right there. Yeah, man, and you have the scallion, otherwise spring onion there. So a few things, crazy amount of sorrel. Just take a look at that. Like the sorrel them, I'm just amazed, honestly. Yeah, man, and these are the red okra. So most of them eaten, and a lot of dry old ones, so I'll leave those to dry for next season. So, and another surprise, take a look at this. That's a nice pumpkin there. So finally I have some pumpkin that stay on, and this is actually the one that I seen second, but there's one over there as well that I'm gonna show you. And take a look at this. As predicted, I was saying this is a dwarf banana, and take a look at this. Well, it's supposed to be a plant, and that's what I bought it as, and it's already shooting. Can you all see that? That's a shoot right there, my people. I may have these 2 bananas right there. So yo, it's just a blessing, my people. I tell you, nice pumpkin one. So just these are the sorrel trees that were bent because of what you call it, Cyclone Alfred, but thankfully they didn't root out of the ground completely. So yeah man, sorrel enough my people. Sorrel enough. And the watermelon seemed like they were about to produce some nice size one, then the flood happened and they all just dried up. That's been more than 2 weeks now, so I haven't been paying much attention. These are the gongo them right here. Look at sorrel man, yo, like just take a look at that everywhere. Sorrel man, but I'll go through same way and show you all. So even the cassava, you can see the cassava, a lot of the leaves start going, but yeah, that's because of the flood. You know, water was just running through here like non-stop. But I definitely don't think it will die or anything. I think it's just too much water at the roots, because as you all know, this place gets water soak. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's just one of them things there. And here we have the other pumpkin, the second one. So yeah, finally the pumpkin them stay on. Sorrel can't done. So you know what that means. This is my Christmas. Yes man, my Christmas don't come in December. Yes man. So also the dragon fruit didn't survive the storm. You know, the dragon fruit them was looking lovely with even the blossom, but yeah, they didn't survive at all, them falling off, you know. So just one of them things there still. And I have some more callaloo. These are the green one. Don't know why my camera been not focusing, but yeah, these are the green. What the hell? Is that an ice cream truck or what? But anyway, yeah, these are the green callaloo, and these are some peppers. You can see these are actually bird pepper. You know, most Jamaicans would know what I call bird pepper, or what we call bird pepper. I don't know the English name for it, but yeah. Yeah man, so things still are going. They have some radish in here, and as I said, I just been not paying much attention to the garden, honestly. See everything burnt up and leaves all eaten up, so yeah. But also every winter I always stop the garden, and I didn't realize that I could plant so many stuff during winter, like even broccoli, cauliflower, and you know, lettuce and all these things. So definitely the garden won't be stopped during this winter. I'll be planting a lot of things that can grow during winter. Yeah man. So, and yeah, someone did ask about the chocho or the chayote some time ago, but this is it. Trying to focus the camera. Yeah, so this is the chocho, aka chayote. And I would assume that this is some kind of blossom here, but yeah, them up till now them haven't produced anything yet. Yeah, this is definitely some blossom here. Yeah man, I would say that's some blossom right there. I can see. Yeah, so I guess they'll be coming in. Young pumpkin there as well. So yeah, this is after, yeah man, so this is after Cyclone Alfred, you know, how things have been looking. Yeah. Man, lemon enough same way, non-stop lemon, that's for sure. And this is from a tree that was cut at the front because we were worried about, you know, it blowing on the house, so I had to get rid of it. Oh, rotted. But they are talking, I miss one next pumpkin. What the hell? Matcha, I didn't even see this. That's the thing with pumpkin. They always tucked away somewhere. That's another pumpkin right there, my people. Oh, are you serious? There's probably even more that I don't even realize. So that's 3 pumpkin right there. Nice. Definitely I get some pumpkin this season. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so that is it, my people. Give thanks for watching this video, and yeah, I'll try to keep up from now on out, you know what I mean. As I said, I just been, yeah, since my mom been here, I haven't been paying much attention to the garden, you know what I mean. So yeah, but I'll get back to it, and definitely even for the winter I'll be planting a lot, so stick around for that. Yeah, man, more things gonna be producing in the garden. So don't go anywhere, my people. Make sure you subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up, yeah? Alright.